Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 29 June 2021. As I had mentioned in my trading view yesterday, that was on Friday, if Nifty were to open gap up at about 15,900 or above, one should not go long. Instead, they need to wait for a correction and then enter the market. It worked out very well today. After opening gap up, there was profit booking, and then towards the afternoon session there was some consolidation. This is normal in any market. The uptrend is still intact. Long positions, that is positionals, can be held with a stop loss of, even though the market ended lower today, we made new lifetime highs in today's trade. Moving on to short-term charts, Nifty consolidated throughout the day today after opening higher, and there is a strong support at 15,750 levels. If 15,750 is broken on the downside, then the next support is at about 15,680, then at 15,600. Tomorrow, if there is a gap down opening, one may wait for a consolidation, and if it starts moving up, then keeping a stop loss at 15,750, one can trade long in the market. On the way up, it will encounter some resistance at 15,860, and the short term target for Nifty on the upside is about 15,900 and 920 levels. Moving on to Bank Nifty closed lower by 5 points. We can see a small candle which has been formed today with a small upper shadow and a long lower shadow. We can understand that there was buying interest at lower levels. Still, the trend of Bank Nifty is up, and long-term traders can still hold on to their stop losses at 34,500 for immediate target. This is the first target of 36,000 on the upside. Bank Nifty on the hourly chart has been trading in a range for last several hours. In a sense, consolidation is good for the market. Bank Nifty closed the day at around 35,340.50 levels. Going forward, we can expect 35,600 as the first target or a mild resistance area, and then 36,000, and then 35,600 to 35,800 as the immediate target. Stop loss for the same trade can be kept below 35,000. Stocks that are in my watch list for tomorrow. Escorts. Current market price is 1,204. Stop loss 1188. Target 1,225. Glenmark. Current market price is 673. You can buy it a little lower at about 665-68 levels with a stop loss at 657. Target of 690. ICICI General Insurance. Current market price is 1600. stop loss of 1574 and a target of 1628. Moving on to delivery, moving on to derivatives data, Nifty ended the day lower by 46 points to close at 15,814. Minor profit booking was seen in Nifty futures with closed lower by 0.3% and open interest going down by 1.4%. Open interest PCR for Nifty was at 0.88. Amongst Nifty options, July 1st expiry put writing was seen at 15,500 and at 15,600. Call buildup was seen at 16,000 and at 15,800 levels. Bank Nifty closed at 35,359, lower by 5 points. Fresh longs was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest was up 2.5% with Bank Nifty closing almost flat. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.82. Minor profit booking was seen by FIIs in index futures segment. They net sold contracts in indices worth rupees 729 crores. Their net open interest went down by 5,521 contracts. Again, like yesterday, it was the contracts that they had went long in has been booked now. Market breadth was negative. VIX was at 13.41, up 1.5%. A look at the FII activity for 28 June 2021. Nifty open interest build up for 1st July expiry. We can see that call rating is there at 15,900 and 16,000 levels. Whereas we can see some put rating at 15,800 and then at 15,500 levels. National Aluminium is the only security that is in ban for tomorrow's trade. Thanks for watching. Good night.